Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Shalala, shalala, shalalala, shalala, shalala, shalalala, shalala, shalala, shalalala, shalalala. Hi, good morning, everybody. It's nice to see you again in this English lesson today. Okay, what is our lesson today? Are you ready? Let's get started. Our today's lesson is about letter K. Letter K has the sound K, K, K. Like when you are coughing, you make the sound K, K, K. Can you repeat after me? 1, 2, 3. K, K, K. Very good. What things begin with letter K? Let's see them together. Phonics. K. K, K. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is hopping. K, K. Koala. The koala is eating. K, K. Kitten. The kitten is running. K, K. King.
Oh, you're so funny.
The king is smiling. K, K. Key. The king is holding a key. Well, now, can you answer my question? What is the kangaroo doing? What is the koala doing? What is the kitten doing? What is the king doing? Let's do some physical exercise. Sekarang anak-anak tirukan Miss Ita ya. Miss Ita akan melakukan gerakan-gerakan, nanti anak-anak akan menirukan. Oke? 1, 2, 3. Hop like a kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Very good. Run like a kitten. Run, run, run. Walk like a koala. Walk, walk, walk. Very good. Now follow me. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Then we stop. Then we stop. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, 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 running. Then we stop. Then we stop. Okay, everybody, you have learned the beginning sound K and the things that begin with letter K. Now, it's time to see our activity today. Let's see the tutorial together. Well, kids, it's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye, 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 bye, bye, bye. See you next Tuesday. Bye, bye, bye. Goodbye. God bless you.